Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepyhead. I'm Sarina. Today's video was a very requested video by the English audience. So, as you've read by the title, today I'm going to react to some of Met Gala 2019 worst and best dressed. It's already in my head, the people who are worst and best dressed. Um, but yes, I have the pictures here and I'm going to react to it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, first in the list, well, these pictures were actually sent to me by the amazing team that I have, the amazing manager that I have, the amazing friends that I have. They've actually sent me these pictures and they've said that you should react sometimes. You should not always act very serious in your videos. You should do reaction videos as well. So the first picture that I have here sent to me was by my friends, and the first picture here is a picture of Gigi Hadid in Michael Kors collection. I'll put it up here somewhere. Just let me put the thing. Yeah, I'll put the picture up somewhere here. This outfit that she's wearing was from Michael Kors collection. See, firstly, I am not a very good fashionista, or I am not a very good person to comment on fashion styles, but I am an Indian and I think in a very Indian manner. First of all, I love the boots, I love the shoes. Overall, the jumpsuit that she's wearing is like so good. But I don't know what was wrong with her hair. I mean, where is the hair? Where is the... I don't know. I shouldn't be commenting on it, but since I have to, talk about it, I feel that if she would have just I like to fix this look a little bit. If someone gave a giant pair of ridiculous sunglasses to Gigi, I feel she would have looked amazing. The other thing that her makeup is also pretty decent, I feel. Other than that, the coat is amazing, but on its own, not with the outfit, because it's not looking too eye-catchy thing. I don't know. I think Michael Kors should have styled her a bit more better. I feel Gigi Hadid as a Victoria's Secret model, when she wears the giant wings. If you you can go and type on YouTube Gigi Hadid fashion show on Victoria's Secret. She looks amazing, like, because her figure is so chiseled and she's so good to look at. On her own, she's very eye-catching, but this outfit currently for me is not working. So for me, it's a big no to Gigi Hadid's this outfit. Next up is our rap queen, Cardi B. Oh my god. Well, the theme of the 2019 Met Gala was going crazy with your outfit. I feel that Cardi B went super duper crazy with her. I don't know, she's looking like a rose that's just popped out of... I don't know. I mean, if you see the picture, she could even barely walk up the stairs with this gown. I mean, it was like she was draped in a weighted blanket. It's looking like that. If I if I'm feeling cold and I go and just lie down, I'll feel good. But who cares, she looks just dramatic all on her own. I feel, for me, this looks as Cardi B. I think Cardi B, being a crazy rapper herself, I feel this outfit goes with her personality. So for me, it's maybe no, but then for Cardi B, I feel it's okay. So maybe yes. Next up in the... Okay, she's Elle Fanning. She's dressed in Miu Miu. The brand that she's wearing is Miu Miu. I feel she looks very cute. Her personality in itself, she looks very cute. Her fanning hands are looking very nice. I feel Elle is looking probably the cutest, I feel. So this look for me is working though. But yeah, I like this. I like it. Next up in this is Michael Urie. He's wearing Christian Siriano. Michael Urie, one side dressed up like a girl, one side dressed up like a boy. Where you will see his makeup is opposite. The side he's dressed up like a male, that side he's having a female makeup, and the side he's dressed up like a female, he's having a male makeup. So I really don't know what he was thinking while, but I feel Christian Siriano did a good job with his outfit overall, because this was a crazy Met Gala, so probably okay. But for me it's kind of not working. I don't know, I'm just feeling it's not working. Next up in the line is the best showgirl, Celine Dion in Oscar de la Renta. She's looking like a queen. Like the best crazy outfit for me currently would be Celine. I don't know how to pronounce her name. Celine Dion probably. She's looking so good. The singer she is, this outfit is matching her personality. I mean, her dress is amazing, but that headgear for me is not working. Her shoes is good. Her shoes are very good. She's looking like one of those Game of Thrones queen, like, I don't know. She's just looking good for me. So I feel this outfit is a yes for me. I like it. Okay, next up in the list is our Desi girl. So let's all give an applause for our Mrs. Priyanka Chopra Jonas. I feel, look, now if I am an Indian, I will not discriminate someone else, but the probable thing is that I would love my saris, I would love my salwars, my kurtis, my jeans and my top from the western side. But I feel Priyanka's outfit, her outfit was from Dior. Her outfit was amazing overall. The dress was good, but I don't know what was going on with that makeup and hair. People loved this look, but for me, because I don't dress that crazy, probably I would sometime in my life if I was told to. But currently for me at least, this look is not very fascinating. I feel Priyanka, the kind of girl she is, the personality that she holds, she will look better in some other clothes probably, but not in this currently for me. So I'm sorry, no, not for me. The next up is I have to look for the looks actually. Okay, the next up here is Katy Perry. She's wearing Moschino. Oh my god, she looks like a candle stand. I mean, just look at this picture here. Katy Perry dressed in Moschino. I mean, those candles, how heavy that may be. I mean, carrying it is not easy. So look, just let's take a moment, and I don't know, I mean, she's dressed like a chandelier and she looks so good. Her makeup, her hair, everything is on point. Probably this outfit is crazy, but that was a theme, crazy, but she looks so good. Like her hair is pink, she's wearing a pink wig, her makeup is nude, she has smoky eyes and broad eyebrows. Oh, I'm living for this look, but it is, I don't know, I just love this look. Many people may not. I mean, come on, she's dressed up like a chandelier. It's probably crazy, but her overall makeup, hair, skin is glowing. Like, just look at her makeup and hair. I love this look. I really do. If I get a chance, I will dress up like this. Okay, Next in our list is the famous, we live for the Kardashian and Jenner sisters. Next in line is Kim Kardashian, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Yay! I love the sound that plays in the video. Yay! Okay. Kim Kardashian is wearing mugler. Every time she slays a look, I mean, she's not dressed up. Probably she's dressed up like a lotus something, because her dress has tinsels on it. She's wearing a nude sandal. She's kept her makeup also very subtle and nude. She's wearing a high-chested dress. Her hair is looking very wet. She's a fresh lotus come out of the pond. She looks like that. I mean, I've described it pretty much like that only, but it looks like she's soaking wet, you know. The lotus has just come out of the pond and into the Met Gala 2019 red carpet. I mean, she gives a different sort of synergy when she enters a red carpet like this. For me, Kim Kardashian is looking dope. I mean, like, she's soaking wet. How can I describe it? I mean, she just looks good. So this is the second look that I loved. Next up in our line, you know, none of these reaction videos will finish without Kylie Jenner. So ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big round of applause for Kylie Jenner here. Okay. So Kylie here is wearing a purple outfit by Versace. I mean, she looks like an ostrich. She's wearing ostrich sleeves, ostrich feather sleeves. The dress below also is ostrich feathers finishings. Her hair wig is purple. I mean, she's. By the way, if Kylie wasn't this good looking, nothing in the world, no one in the world, no corner, any stores would give her makeup lots of identity and lots of credit. She has done a dope job with her makeup cosmetics. She has a Kylie Cosmetic group also. If you want to go and check out, please go and check out Kylie Cosmetics. You'll find lipsticks, eyeshadows, amazing eyeshadow palettes. You'll find eyeliners. I keep following her. So her makeup is done by, like, you know, she's used her own cosmetics in her makeup. You can just see she's looking amazing. Long nails, extensions, finger rings, a earring. She's just looking good. It is giving us a very ostrichy vibe. So pretty much she's gone crazy with her sleeves. You can see it. She's gone mad with her sleeves. So yeah. Finally, last but not the least, my favorite is Deepika Padukone. I mean, she's looking like a Barbie. Her dress was designed by, I don't know whom, I need to check that out. Okay, her dress was designed by Zac Posen. Custom pink lyrics jaguar gown, embellished with 400 three-dimensional embroidered pieces. The pieces that you can see on the dresses are sea urchins, so it gives a very Barbie in the ocean vibes. So pretty much it, you know, kind of gives us a good feeling. The gown also featured a long layered train which was embellished with glittering stars all over. So the gown overall had glittering stars on it. The embroidered little things that you can see on it are sea urchins, and her hair, Barbie, just Barbie. I mean, I love this look of Deepika Padukone. I mean, she's done amazing looks in. She's gone to the Cannes. She's given us good vibes in the Cannes also. Cannes is also another second red carpet that I probably have come across over the years. But in the Met Gala 2019, Deepika Padukone rocked her look. I mean, it's not that crazy. For her personality, she could have gone even more crazy because her husband Ranveer Singh is crazy when it comes to outfits. He wears pink outfits, blue outfits, multicolored outfits. So I mean, she's not gone too overboard with her outfit, but she's kept it good and subtle. She's got good purple lips going on, very maroonish lips going on. The eyeshadow is purple. Her outfit is so good. Now, the final face-off, at the final face-off between the two Indian actresses who've been to the Met Gala 2019, Mrs. Priyanka Chopra Jonas and Deepika Padukone. This was a very requested one. My team had asked me to kind of choose whose look is the best. One was styled or designed by Zac Posen, and one was designed by Dior. I would definitely say Zac Posen rocked Deepika Padukone's look. Priyanka's outfit, I feel only the outfit is amazing, not the makeup and the hair. Does not do for me. But Deepika's entire look does for me. It's so good. Rather than that, I think you've seen the rest. But overall, I loved Kylie's look. I loved Kylie. And I loved Deepika's look. I feel these two have done it for me for Met Gala. These looks are over, completed. I think I am no fashion police, but I definitely will say that, as much as fashion I know, or as much as outfit designs I would know, I would probably, that's how I put my ideas and framed it for this video. This video may not be liked by all because it's very international red carpet thing, but I did it on the request of my manager. So shout out to you, Sneha. Thank you so much for giving me this idea. You give me most ideas, but I felt that this idea was amazing. I don't know how this video will go on, but yes, this was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. I will come up with another interesting video hopefully, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Until we meet, no. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Team Sleepyhead, and I will see you in the next video. Until we meet, doodles.